Has confirmed at least one person in Florida donated blood infected with the Zika virus. But Oneblood's testing protocol discovered the virus, and the company claims no infected blood has been distributed. Jacqueline Powell is live now in our feed room with more on this News Channel 5 Zika alert. Jacqueline?
Well, Kelly, no one in Florida, not Oneblood, not the Florida Department of Health, and not even Governor Scott alerted us to the discovery of Zika in a blood donation. We found out by reading this story in the Seattle Times. Only then did Oneblood confirm that they did find Zika in a blood sample. According to Oneblood, a test kit in this St. Petersburg lab found the Zika virus in a sample of blood donated in Florida. The company claims the Zika positive test happened shortly after Oneblood began to screen samples of blood from every donor in the state in August. Oneblood sent News Channel 5 this video statement about the technology the company claims made the important discovery.
The development of the Zika test for use by blood banks has been done at a record-setting pace. It basically took no more than 8 to 12 weeks to bring these tests from the research bench into the reality of today.
Oneblood claims a sample of every donation is sent to this lab and is tested within 24 hours. Those who work in this lab say by the next day they'll know whether the blood is positive for the virus.
The safety that is inherent in the blood supply right now is at its peak. It's higher than it's ever been, and we want to maintain that safety.
The Seattle Times reports that the Food and Drug Administration is currently testing a few additional potential positive donations. I reached out to the FDA to confirm the statement, but no one returned my calls or emails. Now, I also asked the FDA and the state's Department of Health for details about this confirmed positive test for Zika in a blood donation. Most importantly, to find out where in the state this Zika positive donation came from. In the last 30 minutes, the health department just emailed me back, not to answer any of my questions, but to say that blood screening is serving its purpose. Now, I also called Governor Scott's office to ask why he didn't make the public aware of Oneblood's discovery of Zika in a donation. No one returned my call there. Live in the feed room, Jacqueline Powell, WPTV News Channel 5.